KUVUO 4.0 ton cabin mini excavator, Kubota D1703 diesel engine. Metal tracks, boom swing, AC heater, hydraulic control. TYPHON KUVUO 4.0 ton cabin mini excavator is a versatile and reliable machine, designed to work efficiently in tight spaces with smooth maneuvering in narrow areas. Ideal for construction sites, farms, and urban projects. Handles digging, trenching, landscaping, and material handling with ease. Boom swing enhances flexibility, working close to walls, corners, and obstacles. Comfortable AC heater cabin with LED lights and climate control ensures safe and efficient operation with precision and control. Ideal for tight space tasks. Designed for narrow zones and busy job sites. 5,029 millimeters length, 1,720 millimeters width, 2,580 millimeters height. Fits where larger equipment cannot. 18.2 kilonewtons boom force, 30.4 kilonewtons bucket force, 3,106 millimeters digging depth, 25 horsepower Kubota D1703 engine, compact 4-ton operating weight, smooth hydraulic performance, fully hydraulic control, pilot control, boom swing, zero tail swing,